Today I am going to show you one of the best alternative available in the market of Microsoft Office, that is Apache OpenOffice. It is an open source software, free to use and free to download, and unlike Microsoft Office, you don't need to buy any kind of license for that. OpenOffice consists of 6 softwares, of which 4 are useful: text document, which is used as an alternative of Microsoft Word; spreadsheet, which is known as OpenOffice Calc, is an exact replica of Microsoft Excel; presentation is not that exact replica, but it can substitute the basic work; and lastly, database is for Microsoft Access. Now, out of all softwares, OpenOffice Calc is one of the most important and useful tool. Where it is useful: if you are giving NISM exam, then they will not give you Excel, they give you OpenOffice. Instead, earlier they give Excel, but they use pirated version, so Microsoft sue them, and NISM have to bear heavy fines, so now they only prefer OpenOffice Calc. So here they don't give you Microsoft Excel. Instead, they use the free alternative OpenOffice. Now I'm going to show you how to download OpenOffice. Let's open and just write OpenOffice. Here is the official website. Now go to download. Click on the download full installation, and your download will be automatically started. Thereafter, you install your download. I have already downloaded, so I don't need to download again. Let's open OpenOffice. So here is, you can see the spreadsheet. Suppose I write 85,000, 69,000, 74,000, and I want average of that. The main difference with Microsoft Excel is that when you use Microsoft Excel, you use, suppose I'm going to average. When you use Microsoft Excel, you use 85,000, comma 69,000. But in my OpenOffice Calc, uh, you don't need, you are not allowed to use comma. Instead, you use semicolon. Then again semicolon, again semicolon, and then bracket close, same as it is. Enter. Yes, here is the average. So here you can use the Microsoft OpenOffice. It is a basic function. If you search for on YouTube that OpenOffice Calc full tutorial, you may find many videos, and I am also planning to do a video. If you are interested, please comment down below. And that's it for the video. I hope you like this video. Thank you.